how to redeem your rewards and your free like guacamole from Chipotle in the app. Okay, I was super frustrated with this, so I figured I'd make a quick little video to show you how to get these, because whenever you go into the app and you claim to, redeem it, it says, and you go to checkout, it's like, oh, you're missing something in your thing. Okay, so this is how we do it. So you're gonna actually have to physically add it. So like, say you go to your bag and you've got, like your chicken bowl in there and everything, and then you go to redeem it, and then you go to continue to payment, and it says, oh, we can't do it, even though it may show that like the reward is like right in here that you're getting a free thing. You actually physically have to go into the menu, go into the sides, and actually add the side of guacamole to your bag, add it to the bag, go done. Then when you go to checkout, now that it sees that the side of guacamole is actually in there, when your coupon is in there, after you redeem it from your points, it will discount it off of here. So I hope that helps some people out, because I was really frustrated with that. I would go to redeem stuff and then it would be like, it's not working. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. But anyways, enjoy your guacamole or whatever you're redeeming. Just make sure you add the item in the app, and then the coupon will work. So hope that helps. Have a good day.